So why don't you tell us how your visits are going so far?
So far it's been absolutely great. They've been very receptive, they've been very decent to us. I've enjoyed it so far. It's a great experience. I'm learning things about where we are right now and where we're pushing for that I was unaware of before now, so I've enjoyed it.
Great. And so any good feedback from any of your members today that you met with?
I had some great feedback from Senator Landrieu's aide, Peter. He told us that he wanted to get her on the cap repeal legislation, that he might have accidentally not done that last year, and he wants me to follow up with him if APTA staff sees that they're not on it. So we're excited about that.
Great. And anything that you're excited about doing after this in terms of your follow-up?
Yes, we're looking forward to writing our thank you notes. And we will certainly follow up with all of our senators and representatives from the state of Louisiana.
How were your meetings this morning?
First meeting went well. We're inspirational. We're excited. We had a wonderful talk with our senator, and we're excited about our meetings throughout the rest of the day.
Yes, it was fun to actually talk about how physical therapy can be an efficient and quality service for patients and gain access to services that they need. So it was cool to get the senator on that same level.
Anything you guys are excited about for later today?
We meet with an additional senator from our state as well as one of our representatives, and we're looking forward to being able to talk with them and engage with them about issues that are affecting the physical therapy profession.
Great.
And I'm just excited as a student to kind of continue learning this whole process and hopefully take it back home with me and, tell the rest of my classmates what went on here and pass on the message.
Great.
We're excited also, one of the senators we're meeting with, we want to thank him for being such an advocate for physical therapy. Senator Tester has been fabulous, and so we definitely want to give our appreciation for that advocacy for us.
So at this point, I have gone to Senator Kirk's office, and we met with Lee and his staff and had a very good meeting. It's a very educated staff. They're very supportive of APTA issues, so it was a very good meeting. And shortly after that, we went to Senator Durbin's office and met with Srinu Santi, who knew those issues up and down, which was delightful too. He didn't sugarcoat anything. The therapy cap repeal, not for lack of the support in Durbin's office, but for the cost being prohibitive and being something that might not allow it to move forward was a lot of our discussion. And otherwise just very supportive office, and I think we had a really good dialogue in both senators' offices, so I'm feeling very good about that.
What are you excited about today?
I'm excited about a number of things. One is I was here a little over a month ago with a research group, meeting with all of the congressional leaders who are on appropriations, and we talked about the Blue Ribbon Panel recommendations and APTA's hope that the senators and congressmen and women will support the Blue Ribbon Panel recommendations and make sure that translational research is put in the office of the director of NIH, and that it really gets looked at so that those dollars truly stay focused on translational research, which PTs are so competitive in doing research in that area. We want to make sure we keep those dollars open for us to compete successfully for them, to have good patient outcomes and better quality health care at lower cost.